Stella. Well, should we start this thing up? Let's try it out. This car hasn't been started in quite a long time, and I need to get it out of here because it's in the way. There we go. All right, well, I think this, what year is this car? I think it's about an 81, 81. Yeah.
81
Peugeot 604 turbo diesel. Going to try and start her up here. Diesel turbo. Shine it on here. 604. Right on. Gonna try it. There we go. All the lights come on. And oop, hang on. There's the glow plug light. And we'll wait for that to go out. Clock works in this car. There we go. Okay, well, here goes. Wasn't even a challenge. Wow, this thing's awesome. Let's have a look at the engine. What a dirty Peugeot.
Look at that. How many years has it been sitting in there?
Since I put the building up.
A little dark. Okay, so wow, Peugeot 604 turbo diesel car. Oh, I really like it.
Kind of a neat.
Yeah, it's a big car, you know.
Yeah, this was the biggest model they made.
Wow. Yeah, unfortunately, guys,
it's the president of France drove.
This is yeah.
Best color too, right? Black.
Oh, unfortunately, it's a little dark here, audience members.
It's not really showing up there.
No, now that the fall's in the air here in Alberta.
Yeah. Are you getting some snacks? What's in the shop today, Stella? Can we get it all in? There we go. It's the 1981 Peugeot 604. This is going to be quite an adventure. The idea is that we're going to fix up this 604 pretty nice, and we're going to deliver it to one of the agents in BC. It's actually a pretty nice, clean old girl, and but needs cosmetics. It's got some rust to sort here. Paint is failing, poor, glass broken, clutch cylinders are poor. It has leaking hoses. It needs new tires. It needs complete paint. Probably lose the side moldings. Wheels need painting. Yeah, so actually a very very doable car. It's going to be another adventure with Stella. Hey Stella, you don't care about this stuff, eh? No, snack time. Anyway, we'll do a little more detailed look at it, and then we're going to get started ripping it apart. Here's the before shot. It's not bad, but when you get up close, there's some issues. This is quite laughable, actually, and totally not suiting this car. All of this looks quite tatty and tired, so we will do a better job of painting that. But overall, a pretty nice car. Came out of California many years ago. All these 604s rusted away. It's a very special car, and I really hate to sell it, but I need some financing for the SM. So I guess you can only have so many French awesome luxury cars at one time. So it's going to a good home for sure. Red lacquer primer is not very good to paint over with no sealer. So since we don't know where it is, we have to strip everything. Now you know what? Fuck it, I changed my mind. Give me the touch-up paint. I got one overnighted from Bob Drake 604.
That's got the liberal
I'm getting the air cleaner decals at the same time, and a reproduction owner's manual. We're gonna put a S10 tilt column in there. Oh, you hate that so much.
Wow.
It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.